Alright, so we got a interesting product here from a company called Queen.M that they asked me to review. So it comes in this inconspicuous bubble mailer, and inside we have a zipper bag with the product inside. Now this is titled a Lace Sling Open Cup Crotchless Floral Nighty. So as we open it up here, we're going to see that there is a wire in the open cup area. And as we lay it all the way out, you can see the open crotch part as well. And then of course the open cup here with the two shoulder straps that go over the top. And they are lace and elastic at the same time, just like the product around the back. Elastic, the leg pieces elastic, all the way to the back, all elastic. Now, as you can see there, part of the cup, or the wire, has already come out. So that could be a problem if we can't find a way to secure that and keep that from happening. If you look, looks like it actually came out there in between some of the threads. So that's got to be a manufacturer defect. It doesn't go all the way into the end piece. It stops right there at the same spot on the other side too. Maybe it just got worn as it was being packaged, who knows, but that does pop out there, so that is something to be aware of and something we'll be commenting on later. You can also see that underwire here where it appears as though the threads didn't get threaded all the way together right there. And since we see that, we're going to go ahead and just look along the rest of it and see. So it was threaded together pretty good along the rest of it. Just not right there. Take a look on this one. No problems on the rest of it either. So that is disturbing right there. You know, worry about the quality of craftsmanship. Was this a one-time defect, or is this something you're probably going to see a lot? I don't know. You know, we'll have to mess around with it, I guess, a little bit. You can definitely see sheer see-through. You can see the pattern, the floral pattern on there. The bows, I read another review where somebody had complained that the bows seemed too small or too big, I can't remember. Which seems a little strange. For a decorative piece like that, I don't know that that would even really impact any of it. But that's what you're looking at right there. The back side is also sheer and see-through, so you're able to see that there. As far as covering up the backside, well, you can leave that to your own imagination if you'd like. Now the size, based on the sizing chart we picked up here, we got a medium, and as you can see, it is really small. So if we're going to measure from the shoulder, top of the shoulder piece to the bottom, you're looking about 27 inches right there, with it not being, 28 inches with it not being stretched. Once you add in some of the elastic, it's going to get, you know, of course, a little bit longer. It's not going to be a problem. And as far as the elastic here, you know, that's going to stretch, number one, because it's lace, number two, because there is elastic in it. But how well that fits, I don't know. We're going to find out, and then we'll let you know. And then here's the clasp part on the back, which comes off just like that. And is a little difficult to get on, but could just be because I am inexperienced at putting things like this on. Actually, I have no experience of putting things like this on. Will continue to have no experience, but you know, I will ask the person putting it on, of course, for her honest feedback as far as the clasp. Alright, so any questions, comments, make sure to let me know. I did get this free in exchange for the review. I was asked to review this product. and I'll be able to put it to some use and let you guys know what we actually think of it in the review to be written at a later date. All right, thanks a lot.